Welcome to the Vincennes University Shake Library. In this video, I will show you how to use our search engine, OneVU. You can get to our website by either typing in the address vinu.libguides.com/shakelibrary or by clicking the link on the library's card in VUX. OneVU is located near the top of our website. It searches all of our books, online articles, and ebooks. In this video, we will search for Hunger Games. Once you complete a search, you will get a list of all the print and electronic resources we have on that topic. Each item will tell you what it is and if it's a print resource or online resource. For print books, it will show if it is available, its location, and call number at the bottom of each result. For ebooks and articles, clicking View eBook or View Full Text will take you directly to the item. If you're off campus, you need to log into VUX in order to access any ebooks or articles. You can do so here by clicking Sign In, located to the right of the search bar. At the top of each result, you will also find options to generate a citation for the book or article, share the item record, or save it so you can find it later. On the left side of the screen, you will see that you can also limit your search in a variety of ways, such as campus, format, content type, year, author, and many others. When you're done using OneVU, you can return to the library website by clicking the VU logo at the top left of the screen. However, if you're still having trouble finding what you need, you can use our advanced search, which is located right under the VU logo. The advanced search breaks down your search into different categories, such as keyword, title, and author, in order to help you find what you need. You can also limit your search here instead of on the results screen. Another feature of the advanced search is that you can limit which of our databases is searched by clicking the arrow next to all databases. Once you've clicked the arrow, you can select as many databases as you desire, and these databases will be the only ones that are searched. If you do this, you won't see any of our print books in your results screen. To see everything we own, make sure it's set to worldcat.org. On the results screen, you can also click a title and see the item record. Here you can read the description or summary, see what subjects are listed for that resource, browse the shelf to see what other books we have on that topic, and look at other editions or formats that are available. The availability and online links from the results screen are also here. This is also where you can place a book on hold and request items through interlibrary loan. When you place a book on hold, you're reserving that book so no one else can check it out. Think of it as an online version of calling dibs. To place a hold, all you have to do is click Place Hold and fill out the form on the following screen. Make sure that you're logged into VUX, otherwise you won't be able to place the hold. Interlibrary loan is a way for us to give you access to books and articles we do not have, but other libraries do. If you know the title of the book or article you want, type it in the OneVU search box. On the results screen, under Held by Library, set it to Libraries Worldwide. Then, click the title of the item you want. On the right of the screen, you will see the button Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. Click it and fill out the form. Make sure to include the A in your A number. After you request an item, it may take a few weeks for a print item to arrive in the mail, so please start your research early. Sometimes an item you request is not available. When that happens, we will let you know as soon as we find out. When your hold or interlibrary loan is ready, we will contact you to come pick it up in the library. Make sure to have your student or faculty staff ID ready. Being a VU student also comes with your very own library account. To sign into your library account, you simply click on the Sign In button next to the search box at the top of the screen and log in with your VUX credentials. Once you've logged in, you will see the My Account drop-down underneath your name. By clicking the drop-down, you can see what books you have checked out, placed on hold, or requested through interlibrary loan, as well as any overdue charges you may have. Signing in also gives you the ability to save searches, items, and lists to your account. To save a search, click on Save Search on the right of the screen. Then click Save on the pop-up screen. To view saved searches, click on the Save Searches option in the Account drop-down. To save only specific items, click on the Save icon by each result. You can view what you have saved by clicking on Saved Items. This is only temporary though, and these saved items will be deleted shortly after you log out. To keep them for later reference, you want to save them to a list. To do so, select the items you want to save, then choose Create List. Give your list a simple name and description, then click Save. If you've already created a list, then choose Move instead. If you want to learn more about Shake Library and the services we offer, you can watch some of our other videos, like course reserves and evaluating resources, which are located on our YouTube page, The Shake Library. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Shake Library.